Have you ever had your water heater leak and caused a lot of damage? Today we're going to show you how to help prevent that. Hi, John Musselman here from Musselman Home Inspection. Today we're going to talk to you about the benefits of water alarms. On this channel we like you to understand different pieces about your homes, to take care of them and to do your best with it. The water alarms. The reason we want to use a water alarm, or where we put water alarms, is places that we're likely to have a leak. Hot water heaters is one of those locations. We like to place these water alarms below what we call the temperature and pressure relief valve. Why? Because it's a common spot that we have a leak. The bottoms of these units have a little sensor on them. If you hit it, an alarm goes off. The goal of this is to let us know when this unit starts to leak so we can stop it before it causes a major issue. Another good location for a water alarm is by our sump pumps. I like this particular water alarm because the bottom of it comes off. And by the ability for the sensor to come off, we can hang it down inside of that sump pit a little bit to know when the water's rising. Thanks for joining us here today. I hope you learned something. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time.